Greetings from Astanali, and today I'll be talking about office etiquette. Sam is working as an executive at a company, and there is an office space. He has to be there from morning to evening, and he has come across these words, office etiquette, and he wants to know what is it. Etiquette is a set of things you can do and a set of things you cannot do. Office etiquette involves things which you can do at your workplace and certain things which you have to avoid at the workplace. So what are the etiquette he has to follow? He has to follow the email etiquette at the workplace. There are also telephone, mobile and laptop etiquette. Each of this he has to follow respectfully. And there will be colleagues with him, working with him. There will be co-workers. He has to respect them, be polite, understanding, and also has to be a professional at the workplace. Sometimes, knowingly, unknowingly, our voice volume may not be as comfortable to others. And so we have to monitor our own voice volumes also so that others are not disturbed at their workplace. There will be resources, office resources like printer, stationery, and other systems. So others might be needing it. So we have to be mindful that they also require and be accommodative. And also smells, ensure that you don't contribute negative smell and keep yourself clean, neat so that others are not disturbed by any foul or negative smell. That includes your lunch boxes also. Some of the smells are very strong. It might distract others. And also we have to respect that office space is an important place, not only for Sam, but also for others who are working in the organization. We have to give respect to each and everyone's individual space, not intrude on them, be respectful for others, be polite. And we at Astanali conduct number of seminars on corporate grooming. So what you can do is to get more information, you can visit our website www.astanali.com. Once again, I repeat, our website is www.astanali.com. Thank you. Thanks for joining us.